We provide vehicles for our customers to come pull parts off of at a reasonable price.
We process about 1,000 cars a calendar month at each site in UPAP. We have 12 sites.
The cars are organized, the cars are numbered, so you don't have to wander around, you know exactly where you're gonna go.
And then we take out the car and scrap it with its parts and pieces. Behind me, what we're doing is draining all the environmental hazards that come with the car.
When we put the vehicles out in the yard, we hold ourselves to a much higher standard. We have a bunch of tests that we conduct monthly, quarterly, yearly to ensure that the outflow of our yard is clean of any automotive fluid. I think the first and foremost challenge as a manager at any facility is going to be the people. The next challenge after that is just becoming as efficient as humanly possible.
No 2 days are the same. It's fun, it's exciting.
I think any human being likes to be challenged. If I were to go to work and have the same thing happen every single day, that to me would get boring. How can you make it better every single day? And I believe that if you operate under that way of continuously improving, no matter what it is, you will eventually succeed somewhere.